A legacy of compassion. Remembering Sandra Gomez Marciano. Quezon City, Metro Manila under the soft glow of evening. The Redemptorist Vice Provincial's residence in Quezon City became a sanctuary of remembrance on November 13, 2025. Family, friends, and fellow advocates gathered to mark the first anniversary of the passing of Sandra Gomez Marciano, a woman whose life was a testament to unwavering compassion and tireless dedication. The 6 p.m. Holy Mass, presided over by Far Willie CSR, and concelebrated by Far TD CSR, Far Alex CSR, and Far Rico Ocarm, was more than a service. It was a heartfelt tribute to a life lived in service of others. Sandra Gomez Marciano, a beloved member of Anawin Mission Samahirap, Inc., a devoted co-worker of the Redemptorist Fathers, and a fervent champion of human rights, justice, peace, and the integrity of creation, left an indelible mark on the hearts of those she touched. The gathering included her family, relatives, friends, and members of the Redemptorist family, each carrying memories of Sandra's profound impact. She was not merely a member of these communities but a driving force, inspiring action and embodying the values she so passionately defended. Sandra Gomez Marciano's legacy is one of action and empathy. Her work with Anawin Mission Samahirap, Inc. brought tangible relief to the lives of the most vulnerable, while her collaboration with the Redemptorist Fathers amplified their mission of service and compassion. Her voice, a beacon for human rights, justice, and peace, resonated deeply within the community. As the Mass concluded, the spirit of Sandra Gomez Marciano lingered, a reminder that one person's dedication can ignite lasting change. Her life serves as an inspiration, urging all to continue the pursuit of a more just and compassionate world. In remembering her, the community recommitted itself to upholding the values she held dear, ensuring that her legacy of love and service endures for generations to come.
Kayong magsarili na sa pagsisilbi, kayong mamigaya ay nasa bibig ng bawat lupahapi. Walang naman ang ipanan, hindi ang makitang bayan ay malaya. Walang katumbas, sinalawang halagang nakita ninyong gawa. Mabuhay kayo, mga di pagkaraniwan. Pag-ibig ninyo ay walang hangganan. Mabuhay kayo sa karapatan. Mabuhay kayo kailanman. Tatandaan mo pa ba kung tayong dalawa'y unang magkita? Panahon ng kamusmusan sa piling ng mga bulaklak at halaman. Doon tayo nagsimula mangarap at tumula. Natatandaan mo pa ba inumin puso sa punong mangga? Tanging alay mong gumamela, maghahawak kamay sa dalampasigan, malayang tulad ng mga ibon, ang wita ng ating kahapon. Mga punot halaman, kabiyak ng ating ulitan. Sa paglipas ng panahon, bakit kailangan din lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba kahapon? Kung ikaw ay nagbalik, katulad uli ng iyong pananabik, makita ang dating kanlungan, tahanan ng ating tula at pangarap, ngayon ay naglaho na. Saan hanapin pa? Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gulitan, ang mga punot halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik pa ang kahapon. Lumilipas ang panahon, kabiyak ng ating gulitan, ang mga punot halaman, bakit kailangan lumisan? Panahon ng pagkakataon, may babalik ba ang kahapon? Isadya, bigyang laya ang isa't isa. Ang pag-ibig natin ay walang hanggang paalam, at habang magkalayo, bit pa rin ang puso. Kahit na magkahiwalay, tayo'y magkasama sa magkabilang dulo ng mundo. Ang bawat simula ay siya rin katapusan. May patutunguhan ba ang ating pagsinta? Sa biglang tingin, ika'y wala kinabukasan, subalit di malulupig ang mag-asa. Ang pag-ibig natin ay
walang hanggang paalam. At habang magkalayo, papalapit pa rin ang puso. Kahit na magkahiwalay, tayo'y magkasama.